Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Can you use Google Meet without a Gmail account? Yes, you can absolutely join a Google Meet session without one. This is a common question for many people. If someone invites you to a meet, you just need the meeting link. Click the link provided in the invitation. You will then be prompted to enter your name. Make sure it's the name you want displayed in the meeting. After entering your name, you might need to ask the meeting organizer to admit you. They will see your request and let you in. This process works even if your email address is from Outlook, Yahoo, or another provider. You do not need to sign in with any Google account to be a participant in a meeting. You can join as a guest. However, hosting a Google Meet is a different situation. To start a brand new Google Meet meeting yourself, you typically need a Google account. This does not always mean you need a Gmail address specifically. For example, if you have a Google account that you created using a non-Gmail email address, such as your work email or a personal email from another provider, that will work perfectly. As long as you have any type of Google account, regardless of the associated email address, you can schedule and host meetings. So, to summarize, joining a meet is very easy for anyone. No Google account is required at all for participants. Hosting a meet does require a Google account. But remember, this Google account can be linked to your existing non-Gmail email address. This flexibility makes Google Meet very accessible for participants across different email platforms.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.